Hey guys, I am back again in my pajamas. Surprise, surprise. But I'm here today to check out Jaehyun's new song called Smoke. I'm excited. And I think I'm also going to turn this video into like a compilation reaction of recent SM releases because I really hate to miss anything. I feel like I have not been nearly as consistent as I once was when it comes to reactions, and it really makes me sad, honestly, because I want to react to everything, especially from the artists I really love and, you know, have been following for a long time. I really want to see it on camera with you guys, but I'll say that for the last few years, ever since I'm no longer a student, I think it's just tougher to be able to keep up with things as consistently. But I'll try my best, and so that means occasionally I might have to go back and react to what I missed, which I've never really done on my channel before, very rarely, because I usually just react to like things as soon as they drop. But there's things that I just really want to check out on camera with you guys, and so I'm gonna do it anyway. So we're starting with Smoke, brand new drop, and then we'll go back to, I'm thinking, NCT Dream and TAMEIN as well. So we'll have a little SM catch-up session because, oh, I love SM groups. And soloists, obviously, but the soloists are part of a group. You get my point. Alright, anyway, without further ado, let's hop right in. Okay. 21, 23, okay, we're skipping the even numbers for some reason. What's going on? Okay, why does it look a little bloody to me? Oh yeah, it started dripping, okay. Security camera. Okay. Up close and personal. Okay, turn it up. Changing his clothes in the hallway, okay. Okay, very secretive for some reason. What's going on? Oh, there's Bleed, okay. Is that him reaching for himself in the mirror? Oh. Oh. Oh, that's good. I'm sorry, what? Whoa. Whoa, okay, that is so cool. I kind of wonder how they filmed this. That is beautiful, oh my god. Whoa. Oh, stunning. Wow. Cinematography is really cool. This is his look. This right here is his look. Is that like an alter ego of some sort? What's going on? He's all in white. That's so interesting. You're looking at water. Meanwhile, he drowned. Or not drowned, but like... Oh, there it goes again. Sucking him in. Is he hiding from himself? Oh, that's interesting. now the other version of him is doing that. Whoa, okay, I feel like I'm gonna have to rewatch that to like pick up on all of the lore in detail. Off the bat, that was crazy. Very unexpected. I feel like this is a very unique music video. Like you don't see a whole lot of that in this industry, I feel like. So I think they took a very creative turn with it. Like, I'm still so curious how they filmed that scene. Like, did they coat him in honey? Like, what was that mysterious substance? I'm so interested. But no, that was crazy. I'm looking at that first frame again, like, what's the meaning to the specific numbers they chose? Like, there's gotta be so much to this, and I just need to rewatch and rewatch to really be able to get it. But it's like upon first impression, just whoa, you know? It's so interesting how they chose to go with kind of like a very classic sort of style, and then it has like this horror mystery kind of twist to it, and there's something almost like, I'm gonna say maybe paranormal or supernatural about it in a way that like I didn't quite pinpoint on the first round. But wow, like this, I feel like the vibe of this just really suits him very well. Like, this kind of concept just feels very well tailored, both in like a vocal sense and just an aesthetic sense. So good, so fascinating, and just very, very creative and unexpected. And yeah, like I said, I really want to keep rewatching this to really like soak it all in, no pun intended, as he got soaked in whatever that was and dragged down into a sofa. And then like this other version of himself in the mirror and the interaction, like it was like he was running from himself, and then gosh, I don't know. Yeah, really fascinating. And like I said, 50 times now, I'm gonna rewatch and really pick up more storyline. But yes, okay, one down. Next up, I think we need to check out NCT Dream's recent comeback. Okay, Rains in Heaven, let's go. I feel like this one's gonna be very beautiful aesthetically. Yeah, beautiful, naturey. His voice is giving me so much nostalgia. Beautiful aesthetic, wow. They're fighting. Okay. Didn't expect that. Wow, that's stunning. So stunning. Wow. I love this. This is his era, guys. He looks so good in this video. Oh my god. I love this aesthetic too, like the overgrown post-apocalyptic world. Butterfly. Classic. SM. They must have had so much fun filming that scene. Yes, the high note. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, those pants are everything. I love the aesthetic. Wow. Very tranquil. What's coming out of there? Now they're laughing. Yeah. What's happening? They're restoring the world with their good energy. Yeah, what's coming out of there? Beautiful. Oh, it's really pretty. Really, really pretty. You gotta love just like a good old feel-good type of song. You know, just like positive vibes all around. It sounds so just vibey. That's word I could come up with, but it's healing. I think that's a good word. Like soothing, healing, just very positive, sweet, beautiful vocals and beautiful music video aesthetically as well. Just nice, loving vibes all around. Let's heal the world together. Kumbaya energy. Very lovely. And I really like the looks a lot. The fashion aesthetic, makeup, all the details like that, also very, very nice. So yes, that was sweet. Okay, final one for today, which is going to be a big twist from what we just saw, is let's check out TAMEIN's song Sexy in the Air. I'm constantly running out of card space recently on my camera, so if I have to, you know, speed through the talking a little bit, I'm sorry. But without further ado, let's hop right into Sexy in the Air. Let's go. Okay. I'm gonna love this. I already know it. This is crazy. Whoa. Oh my god. The industry's greatest dancer is back. Oh my god. This is so exciting. He's back. Oh. Let's go. Wow, that's stunning. Oh my god. He is so good. Gets me every time. I keep saying this is crazy. Whoa. I love when they do the rain. Dancing while wet. Oh my god. Oh, this is so fire. Wow. That is epic. Whoever chose this set, oh my god. Incredible taste. Wow, wow. Oh my god, okay. That's incredible. Okay, this is some sort of outro. What's going on here? Like a sunrise. Oh, this is a teaser, isn't it? Was this like a pre-release or something like that? Because this felt like the music video felt like it had the vibe of a performance video of sorts, which for TAMEIN specifically, I feel like that makes so much sense. That is so right for him because dancing is like his thing. Like that is truly where he shines, is dance. Like you can't have TAMEIN's music video without like most of it just being dedicated to dancing because he is so wildly good at it. And so to have it be kind of like a performance style video, just it completely fits his whole vibe in general, I think. So I loved that, and like the style of the song again. Like he really goes for those like sexy kind of concepts all the time, which I absolutely love. I live for his style of music, and especially like the sensual nature, like just the way that it's always expressed. It's incredible. His songs feel unreal when you're listening to them and when you're watching, and the performance and like the way it sounds, everything is just so like, oh, it hits, you know, like you feel it so deep when you listen to him, and it's like, and when you watch him and the performance, yeah, he's something special. So love it as always. Good to have him back. So yes, alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to check out any of my other links, there'll be in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.